today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have a little haul. It's a mixture of Depop, eBay, and then just regular charity shops. It's not a massive one, but I thought I'd show you guys what I've been picking up. This is over a couple of weeks, so I thought I'd just show you what I picked up. So we're going to start off with the first thing I bought, which is this perfume. So I got this off of eBay, and I'll tell you a little story behind this. So I think for about my 10th birthday, I got a bottle of this Justin Bieber Someday perfume. Oh my gosh, it's my favourite perfume in the world. I love it. I've worn it literally since I was 10. Every time I wear it, I get compliments, and it's always a bit embarrassing, and I'm like, it's Justin Bieber. But oh my gosh, I love it. Like, love it to death. It smells so good. It's really, really sweet and fun, and I love it. But basically, when it was my birthday last year, I was putting together a list because my mum requested a birthday list for me. And I tried to put this perfume on there, and it said it was discontinued. And oh my gosh, my heart broke, because this literally is a perfume I've been wearing since I was 10. And I love it. It's amazing. And yeah, I was really, really sad. So I went into like Superdrug, perfume shop, was just trying to find any, but they'd all taken it off the shelves. It's no longer being sold anymore. However, I've been finding them second hand. So I've got this bottle, another bottle that I got second hand, and then a rollerball, and I think that's all I'm gonna get. But this was on eBay. This cost me £13. I bidded on it. I think it was £13 with postage. And I think it's 100ml. Or 50ml, and this is definitely like the sample, because it says try me on the back and it's got no lid. But you know what, I'll take what I can get at this point. It is full, so that's good. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's a great perfume, and I'm really glad to find that. And yeah, I'm really sad that this is probably going to be my last bottle of it. I'm using it very, very sparingly. Like, only really special occasions is this coming out now. Like, literally birthdays and Christmas is about it, I think, for this. But oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I love that. So pick that up. Then on the same line of that, basically I had a dream about it, and I was like, you know what, I need to do more searching and see if I can actually find more. And someone was selling on Depop for £5 this, well, I got them down to £5, the Someday body cream. So it's literally that perfume but in a body lotion. Now I absolutely love doing this. My sister actually taught me this trick of like, get perfume in a set like a Christmas, and then put the lotion on and then put your perfume on, and oh my gosh, does your smell last so much longer. Like, I feel like this is purely for like special date night. You guys know what I mean. That's when you need to get this stuff out with that, combine it, gorgeous, like a special date night, a big night out, birthdays. Like, again, another thing that like you want to bring out on like the days that you know you need it. But I love this, and I've actually noticed this is like my biggest hack, which I've told you guys before because my sister knew about this, is that getting a black opium is my normal like fancy perfume, and then getting a dupe for it. So I've got the Poundland dupe, and that actually comes in a set with the cream, so I need to go and buy that so I can use that, because I feel like I put black opium on as my initial spritz and then have the fake one to kind of top it up. But anyway, that's not about that, it's about this. So I got this for £5, and it was open, but oh my gosh, it smells of it. This is probably the last thing of this I'm going to get. I'm basically buying, if you guys have any Someday perfume that you don't use and you want to, you know, send it to go, oh, let's pay for it. I need more of this perfume before it goes out of existence forever. Also, if anyone's got any really sweet perfume recommendations, then let me know. I did look up on a perfume like dupe website. I typed in the name of this perfume, and it said that the Ariana Grande one's very good and very sweet. So if you guys have any recommendations, definitely leave them down below, because I'm always looking for a one that will smell like this. And if you had this perfume, let me know, because I feel like I don't know anyone that used to wear this apart from me. So that's that. I've rambled on about this perfume a lot, but it has a special place in my heart. But to the clothing section of this haul, I've actually only got two pieces, but I thought I'd share them with you anyway. So first thing, this was £2.50 from British Heart Foundation, and it's actually just this kind of corset. Now I think this is one of the kind of under boob corsets. I was thinking on top of like a white shirt, this could look really cute. Now this did come with the matching, I don't even want to call it a thong, because I don't think you literally can. This is in a 3XL, and it literally is one of them thongs that just has an elasticated bit at the back that you can literally move. I probably won't ever wear the thong, I'm not gonna lie. I'll probably just stick with this. I'm thinking this over a white shirt, or over like a t-shirt dress if you want to have like a cinched in waist. To be honest, I used to have one of the little corset belt things when that became a thing. So I'm intrigued to see how I can style this, and also I think I potentially could actually wear this as a corset that covers my chest if I like wear it higher up. And to be fair, with this extra kind of height on this bit. It might mean it actually covers my boobs a bit more than the corsets I have. This is in a 3XL, I believe, so I'm not quite sure how it will fit, but the good thing about corsets, obviously I can just cinch it in at the waist if I need to, but to be honest, it looks a pretty good fit. So this was £2.50 from British Heart Foundation. So I really need another person to help me get into this, but we can get the idea of what it's going to look like. I feel like I would probably wear it up like this rather than under my chest, just because it's more comfortable for me. And also I feel like with this bra, I know obviously I'm not meant to wear a bra with this, but I feel like it looks really cute with the little frills, and I feel like then it makes it look more like a top. I don't know, I think this is really cute, and this is the sort of thing I'd wear if I was going for like nice drinks. I feel like the jeans kind of tone it down a little bit, make it look a little less intense, but yes, I definitely need a person to help me get into this, because these little eyelet things, don't really know what you call them, they're not really a hook and eye, they're just really difficult to get in. And I feel like you really need to undo the back, do this up, and then get someone to tie you into it is like the best way to wear these. And my only other beef with the corset is you can't really sit down. So it's definitely like a standing up, having a drink outfit rather than a sitting down. Although, where this is shorter, I feel like I probably could sit down in this one. So we're on to a winner here. I think this is really, really cute. I love the look of the corset at the back. I just think it's really classy, timeless. Classy, I'm not sure. Timeless, yes, I just love it. It's so cute. And I feel like the black with the little detail is really cute. I don't know, I really like this, and really happy I picked it up. And for £2.50, you literally can't go wrong. And then finally, for £6 from Sense, I actually didn't realise this was new with tags when I brought it, and thought £6, you know, it's a bit steep, but I'll pay for it, but actually it's new with tags. Originally it was £12.99. It's originally from Stradivarius, and as I said, I got £6 from Sense, and it is just this gorgeous chocolate brown bodysuit. If you saw my charity shop gift card haul, you'll know I love a chocolate brown. I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. It's that slinky material. It is stretchy. I mean, it says a large. It does look quite small, but I'm hoping this will fit. As you know from my charity shop gift card, I'm not having the best luck with things fitting. So I'm hoping this does fit. As I say, it's stretchy, so I'm hoping it will. But I'm thinking this with some black jeans, maybe my black slinky trousers. I feel like this is a piece you can really dress up or down, and will just be a really good staple to have in my wardrobe. I always think this is perfect to layer, as it's got really cold. On the day I'm filming this, it literally has been snubbing and 3 degrees. So I'm intrigued to see how this works, but I could even wear this underneath a jumper if I wanted like an extra bit of layer. But yeah, I'm thinking this with jeans, it would look gorgeous with some nice heels. I did see today in the charity shop some Carvela times Kurt Geiger heels, and they were like this gorgeous wooden platform with like brown leather straps. It was £20 though, so I didn't get it because I'm meant to be trying to be a bit better, and they were quite high. But anyway, not about that, about this. I really like this. Hopefully this will fit and it'll be a really nice basic to have in my wardrobe. I'm so happy this bodysuit fits. I've just popped it on with my leather trousers. These are from Cancer Research a couple of weeks ago. I love this. I feel like this is a great basic outfit. Like, I didn't have to try it at all, but I feel like I'm really put together. I feel like I could wear boots with this. I also could whack on some heels, and I feel like this is dressy enough for drinks, for going to the pub. Like, I feel like it's a lovely kind of low effort but a good payoff outfit. I feel like you could do gold jewellery with this, a nice jacket. Like, I feel like this is so versatile, and I really, really love it. I equally think I could chuck some tracksuit bottoms for having like a nice chill day, and that would equally look just as nice. Some jeans. That is so versatile, and I really, really love this. And yeah, so happy I picked this one up. So that's everything I picked up from this eBay come Depop come charity shop haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment what your favourite item was down below. Comment your favourite perfumes. Give me recommendations. And subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.